Welcome to Khan's CAD Academy with another tutorial. In this tutorial we'll be learning about how to design this extractor using the given dimensions. We'll first make all the parts, then we'll make its assembly file, and then we'll animate it using the SolidWorks motion analysis. So let's start with the file. Open the SolidWorks 2018 or any version you have. Click on File, click on New, click OK. Make sure that you have the units in millimeters. Now start with the basic sketch. We'll be using the front plane. Start with the file. We will be first making part number 4. This is part number 4. These are the dimensions. 190 into 15. This is 15. So let's start with the sketch. This is 190. Sorry, again go to the sketch. This is 190. This is 15. In the middle of the video, if you don't understand any part, you can just leave a comment in the section below and I can tell you all the details. So this is 190, this is 15. Now the upper part is 120 plus 45. This is 45 plus 120 till here. This was 190 till here. So 45 plus 120. (45 plus 120). Okay. Now we got this circle here, 13 radius. So it's going to be, the die is going to be 26 because we are taking the diameter. So 13 plus 13 is the dia. That's 26. Now we can simply move it, dimension it, 13. Okay. Make sure that the center line is aligned. Okay. So we'll again give it a dimension to make sure that it's the center line. Now it's on the center. We will need to we'll remove the extra at the end. So keep this on the side now. Now we have the lower circle to be made, which is 25 in radius. Okay, so the center is offset from here till here to 25 radius. So let's make a circle of 50 dia. 50, the radius is 25, so the dia will be 50. Okay, now we'll add the dimensions. It's the center line, so we give it 0. It will be on the center now. Now we give it this vertical dimension to be how much? To be 25. Okay. This is also going to be 25. Okay, so from here to here it's also 25. The vertical is also 25. Now we'll be removing the extra materials, extra lines. First we'll remove this one. Okay. Now if you remove, so you don't need the reference dimensions, so it's okay now. Now the other part is that from this center point of this circle we got this 30 degrees. So we take this circle, and we draw a reference construction line, construction geometry, and then I go and make another line. Now I give it the reference dimension 30 degrees. Now I'll remove all the extra lining, and then we can see the actual shape. Don't worry about these resolution, these things, because we are removing things that are having references, so that's why we will solve this problem once we have trimmed all the extra. Okay, this is to be also removed. Okay, now this you should remove these conflicted items like this. Sorry, this yellow. So it's all good now. Okay, so part is complete almost. Okay, now what we do is we mark this center line, this center hole. This is about 6 millimeters on the center, and it's a blind. No, sorry, it's a throughout hole, or a blind one. So, and what's the reference? That's the reference is 45. So we make a circle here having a dia of 6 millimeters. Now we give it a reference dimension from here, that's 45, and of course this is on the center, so we already know dimension is 15, so this is going to be 7.5. Now it's on the center, it's actually where it should be. So we have settled all the things now. Now we already know the width, that is 15. Okay, we'll now extrude this geometry to 15 millimeters. So this is it, guys. This is the first part of, the fourth part, but the first part of our geometry making. So guys, I hope you like this part. This is the part 1 video, and second part is going to come soon. Take care, bye bye, peace out.